Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Due to the pandemic, everyone is supposed to stay at home and the children and students are learning their academics from home. With this effect, many children are feeling bored and not staying active during their classes. I have come up with some particular activities which could make children learn things and enjoy their classes promptly and efficiently. Hi, this is Rajeshri and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Unearth English. So in this video, we will discuss few activities which will increase listening skills, speaking skills and the children will become more creative to answer. And let's dive into the activity. The first activity is Jam. Jam can also be called as just a minute, which improves spoken English, boosts confidence levels. For primary kids, you can start the jam sessions with very simple topics like talk about your favorite cartoon, your mother, parents, best friend, favorite dish, etc. For the upper grade children, we can give them some topics like why should we learn well, is scoring the first rank always is best, what is your goal, and some basic topics. Secondly, the next activity which can be done during online classes is asking them to make a craft and make them speak about that. For example, if you give some idea about a craft, they have to do the craft and they have to speak how did they do that, why is it important to them, and else. Thirdly, I would say that give them a topic and make them write an essay on that and make them do the video of it by showing their face and speaking the points. For example, if you give a topic, suppose environment, and later they have to speak about that. Lately, you can give some questions to them and make them ask their classmates by putting them into breakout rooms if you guys are using Zoom application. As shown in the picture, you can make children ask these questions to their classmates with which they will not seem shy to talk with their classmates and retain their offline classes communication again. Friends, these were the 4 activities which I wanted to share with you guys to make children enjoy, have fun and improve themselves. And the best thing is, every student can be performed with these activities. Thank you all for watching the video. Do like, comment and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please write a comment with any ideas or suggestions. I would love to answer them. Thank you.